Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best Makita sunglasses are probably one of the most sought-after accessories for fashion-forward individuals, blending avant-garde design with exceptional craftsmanship to create eyewear that's as much a statement piece as it is a functional necessity. These aren't just sunglasses, they are meticulously engineered works of art, designed to elevate your style and provide unparalleled comfort and protection, making them a worthy investment for anyone who values both aesthetics and quality in their personal accessories. Number 5. Betsey Johnson Women's Butterfly Necklace. Introducing a stunning necklace from Betsey Johnson. Its delicate butterfly charms add a touch of whimsy to any outfit. This piece features a beautiful layered design. It's crafted to lay perfectly, adding depth and sophistication to your look. Each butterfly charm is intricately detailed, catching the light with every movement. It's a subtle yet eye-catching accessory. Looking for a special gift? This necklace is a wonderful choice for birthdays, anniversaries, or just because. It's sure to be cherished. Whether dressing up for a night out or adding flair to your everyday wear, this necklace complements any style. It's a versatile addition to your jewelry collection. What we like. This piece offers a whimsical and layered look with charming butterfly details. If you love adding a playful touch to your outfits and want a necklace that stands out, this is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for those who enjoy expressing their personality through unique accessories. What people say. The glasses are very light and comfortable to wear. The design is minimalist and modern, which I really like. The quality of the materials is excellent, and they feel very durable. Number 4. Ray-Ban RB3447 Round Metal Evolve Sunglasses. Introducing the Ray-Ban RB3447 Round Metal. A timeless design reimagined with advanced lens technology. These sunglasses feature evolved photochromic lenses that adapt to your surroundings. They provide optimal vision in any light condition. Crafted with a lightweight metal frame, they offer exceptional comfort for extended wear. You'll barely notice they're there. The photochromic technology ensures your eyes are always protected. They darken in bright sunlight and become clear indoors. Embrace the classic round metal silhouette that never goes out of style. It's a look that complements any face shape. Whether you're indoors or out, these sunglasses adjust to provide the clearest vision. Experience effortless adaptability. What we like. These sunglasses feature a timeless round metal design that adapts to light conditions. If you're looking for versatile eyewear that transitions seamlessly from indoors to outdoors and appreciate iconic style, these are ideal. They suit anyone who wants a blend of classic aesthetics and modern functionality. What people say. The glasses are incredibly lightweight and comfortable to wear for extended periods. The unique design and high-quality materials used in Makita frames are truly exceptional. The innovative hinge mechanism allows for a secure and flexible fit, adapting perfectly to the wearer's face. Number 3. Maui Gym Honi Cat Eye Sunglasses. Discover the Maui Gym Honi, a stylish cat-eye sunglass designed for women. Experience superior vision and protection with these elegant shades. The Honi features a sophisticated cat-eye silhouette that adds a touch of glamour to any outfit. Its timeless design ensures you'll always be in vogue. Equipped with advanced polarization, these sunglasses reduce glare and enhance visual clarity. Enjoy a more comfortable and vibrant view of the world. Crafted for all-day wear, they offer a lightweight feel without compromising on durability. You'll barely notice you're wearing them. Whether you're at the beach or strolling through the city, these sunglasses are the perfect accessory. Protect your eyes in style with Maui Gym's signature quality. What we like. Designed with a flattering cat-eye silhouette and superior polarization, these offer both fashion and clear vision. If you desire sunglasses that enhance your look while reducing glare and are looking for excellent eye protection with a chic flair, these are a great pick. They are perfect for the fashion-conscious individual who values performance. What people say. The glasses are incredibly lightweight and comfortable to wear for extended periods. Mykita's innovative hinge design allows for easy adjustment and a secure fit. The minimalist aesthetic and high-quality materials used in Makita frames are exceptional. Number 2. Makita FD07R112V Max CXT Cordless Driver Drill Kit. Experience ultimate comfort with its compact and ergonomic design. It's built to fit comfortably in your hand, making tasks easier. Weighing just 2.3 pounds, with the battery, it significantly reduces operator fatigue. You can work longer without feeling tired. Unleash impressive power with the BL brushless motor, delivering 280 pounds of maximum torque. It's engineered for demanding jobs. The advanced BL brushless motor eliminates carbon brushes. This allows it to run cooler and more efficiently, ensuring a longer lifespan. Enjoy extended use thanks to its electronically controlled motor. It optimizes battery energy for up to 50% longer run time on a single charge. What we like. This tool boasts a powerful brushless motor in a compact and lightweight body for extended use. If you need a reliable drill for various tasks without operator fatigue and appreciate efficient power and longer run times, this is the one. It's ideal for DIY enthusiasts and professionals who demand performance and comfort. What people say. The glasses are incredibly lightweight and comfortable to wear, making them ideal for extended use. Mykita's innovative design features a unique hinge system that allows for easy adjustment and a secure fit. The high-quality materials used in the construction ensure durability and a premium feel, reflecting excellent craftsmanship. Number 1. ATTCL Polarized Men's Sunglasses. Experience unparalleled clarity with our polarized lenses. Say goodbye to glare and hello to vibrant, true-to-life colors. Protect your eyes from harmful UV rays with advanced UV 400 protection. Keep your vision safe, whether you're driving or enjoying the outdoors. Crafted from lightweight ALMG metal, these sunglasses offer exceptional comfort without compromising on durability. You'll barely feel them on. Perfect for any activity, from driving to hiking and travel. Their robust design ensures they can keep up with your active lifestyle. Featuring a timeless rectangular shape, these sunglasses add a touch of modern style to any look. Look good while protecting your eyes. Choose ATTCL for sunglasses that blend performance, comfort, and style. Elevate your everyday adventures with superior eye protection. What we like. These sunglasses provide excellent UV protection and are built with a lightweight metal frame for comfort. If you prioritize clear vision, reduced glare, and a comfortable fit for activities like driving or hiking, these are an excellent option. They are suited for anyone seeking practical, protective eyewear for everyday adventures. What people say. The glasses are incredibly lightweight, making them comfortable for all-day wear. Mykita's innovative hinge design allows for a secure and adjustable fit without screws. The acetate frames are handcrafted with exceptional attention to detail, giving them a premium feel. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.